This is 2025, and if your egusi soup game is not this tight, you need to watch this video to the very end.
Welcome to your corner where we celebrate. Good bass and strings harmonizing our coffee. Drum beats vibrating hearts.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Egusi and this is my corner. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to my channel and kindly like this video. And to my OGs, as usual, una no go spoil. In today's video, I'll be showing you my easiest, simplest go-to method for preparing egusi soup. Egusi soup is also called melon soup. It is Nigerian delicacy, a very popular soup. The first thing I usually do is to wash my protein. For this particular soup, I made use of beef and pomo with some stockfish and catfish. So but the very first thing I do is to properly season my protein. After seasoning it, you use your seasoning of choice. Then you go in with a bit of pepper, just a little bit of pepper, properly steam it. Then you add more water that will be enough to cook your proteins. Now that our protein is properly cooked, you go in with pepper. This is not the frying method. There are different methods to make egusi soup. In fact, one of the reasons I love egusi soup is that there are many ways to make this soup and the outcome is always okay. So after you add your pepper, you go in with your crayfish powder. This is me going in with my crayfish powder. Please guys, you go in with your ingredients as desired, please. There's no measurement for this, I am just freestyling. Then I am going in with palm oil. Make sure you use original palm oil. Then you add in some water that is enough to make your soup, like the quantity of soup you want. So this is my egusi powder. I bought some egusi from the market. Then I picked the egusi and blended it. You can equally grind it in the market. So you get your bowl and pour in some of that powder. To the powder, you add some warm water. If you want, you can add some onions. What you're trying to do is to melt the egusi and form a very nice egusi paste. I went in with more water because the egusi paste was too thick for me. So you can actually make your paste thicker or lighter, but this consistency is what I want. So this next part is totally optional. You can decide to just pour in the whole paste in your soup broth, or you can decide to scoop it and drop. I'm scooping it with a spoon and dropping it inside my pot of soup. I did not add any seasoning to my soup because the seasoning I used for my protein was enough. Egusi soup is very tricky. If you are not careful, it becomes too salty. Kindly note that Egusi needs a lot of time to cook. If you want to properly cook your egusi to avoid having any form of stomach pain or stomach upset, you need to cook your egusi very very well. Make sure you cook it for at least 15-20 minutes. After cooking my egusi, I went in with my dried catfish and I went in with some Cameroon pepper for more heat. I love spicy egusi soup. Then this is me going in with my ugu leaves and uziza leaves. I made use of uziza leaf and ugu leaves for this soup. Another reason why I love egusi soup is you can actually enjoy this soup with white rice, unlike some soups that can only be enjoyed with swallow. So after going in with your vegetable, you would want to cover your pot and allow the vegetable steam for like a minute or two, and your soup is ready. Guys, look at this egusi soup. E enter your eye. I know say e enter your eye. Tell me in the comment section, what will you be having with this egusi soup? Will it be eba, semo, pounded yam, amala, or plantain swallow? Please do not forget to like this video. Until I see you in my next one. Bye.